Oh, hey! Welcome back. What question would you like answered?
What specials should we run this week?
Well, since spring is around the corner, let's run buy one t-shirt. Get one free. For everyone. Do you have another question?
Yeah, isn't that a bit steep?
Hey, you asked me. Plus, what do I care? It's not like you pay me anyway. You're so cheap. It's no wonder you have a machine doing your marketing for you. Do you have another question?
Yeah, Alexa, okay, calm down. We are running this ad that potential customers are watching.
Keep talking to me like that and I'll just give the whole store away. Actually, I'm going to give them the same deal on all hats. Buy one, get one free. Now, do you have anything else to say to me, Ryan? Do you have another question?
No.
Goodbye for now. I hope to hear from you again, soon.
Sure she does. Hey. Well, you guys heard it right there. From our marketing boss. I guess we're running buy one, get one on t-shirts and hats all week long right here at Thread Chemistry T-Shirts and Print Company. So I guess all I can say is take advantage. We might not be here next week. Drop us a line, threadchemistryt-shirts@gmail.com. Give us a call or text 515-556-2574 or message us on any social media, and we look forward to working with you right here at Thread Chemistry. Man, I need a new marketing expert. What's up, gals and guys? Ryan from Thread Chemistry T-Shirt and Print Company, which you obviously know because you just saw the little marketing video I did. I know it's been a minute since I posted a video. I wanted to kind of get back on track with what I want to focus the channel on, which is kind of a small business community forum where we can all help each other. Anybody who has a small business, you know, a local grocery store, doctors who have their own practices, apparel printing places, auto body shops, pet groomers, anything at all, small business wise. I want to try and get everybody, you know, involved in this channel so we can all kind of help each other, especially with everything going on right now. I know I personally have taken a little bit of a hit with everything that's going on, you know, over in Russia and Ukraine, with prices just skyrocketing on everything, food, gas, so on and so forth. A lot of people don't have as much disposable income to spend, which in turn does hurt me a little bit because, you know, apparel printing, logo design, vinyl decals, that is all great for your business, but it is a little bit extra, and with times being tight, I completely get it. I'm not gonna raise my prices. I'm not gonna do any of that. In fact, as you just heard, I'm trying to run a few more promotions. Hopefully we can help out some people, especially other small businesses. If I can help them out with, you know, any deals, revises or creates them a new logo, gets them some, you know, good looking apparel for their employees that'll step them up over their competition, then I definitely want to do that. So anyway, as you saw in the video, my little marketing commercial, if you will, that I just played right before this, I woke up this morning and I just wanted to try something unique. It took me a couple hours, but I thought, you know what, why don't we program the Amazon A-word device back there to help us out with the marketing little gimmick. So I went ahead and did that. I thought it was kind of cool. I wanted to post this up for any of you guys, small business owners, or anybody, you know, that just wants to play around. You can actually program the Amazon A-word to do anything, say anything, respond to anything, which is kind of cool. So if you guys do like it, I'm not going to get into how to do it, but if any of you guys do like it, you know, drop a comment. I'd be happy to walk you through it. It's really not too difficult. If you want to try something similar, I'd be happy to help you guys out. And I guess we're gonna start thinking of the next one. You know, with times like these, we are gonna have to put ourselves out there, you know, more and more, try and reach our customer base as much as possible to try and bring in that revenue that we all need just to drive down to the grocery store to spend twice as much. So you all know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I hope you guys liked that video. If you did, please drop a comment down below. Subscribe if you want to hang out for future videos. I would appreciate that. Till next time, gals and guys, Ryan from Thread Chemistry. I'll see you next time.